I keep on hoes on my purpose through life. Many hoes ain't riding. I done perfect time. I think I record some more. I said I can record some more.
See how we get to a little spot. But it gotta be that little shit. I think it might be the rubber band shit on that part. Keep grabbing that bill side. Here goes some beach short. That goes some beach short, baby. Get some motherfucker juice. Damn, did I? I did bring money. I did need. You know I gotta go with the strawberry pink lemonade motherfucking brisk. Check him out. Check him out. I ain't like your shit smooth though. I ain't get another drink, bro. What's going on, my friend? Whole ass niggas hating.
Bitch. Run it up, kid.
Prince on that motherfucker. Oh yeah.
Somebody come save me. Somebody come help me. I think I'm hallucinating. I fell in love with that girl, can somebody save me? I don't give her so much love, I feel like that she hate me. I'm tryna give you a kid, girl, I want a baby. Can somebody help me? I think I'm hallucinating. They say I'm tripping, shit, I might be a little crazy. Gotta bring my pistol in the party, ain't finna let them play me. It's something different about that girl, cause I don't do no dating. And fuck them niggas on that sideline, they been hating. I'm doing everything I need to do. We so deep all on the block, we even chill on the roof. I did not fuck that bitch even though he came with proof. You better check your bitch, dog, she don't fuck the crew, she loose. Yeah, that Drake all on my side in the passenger. I ain't tryna take too long with a bitch, you know I'm passing her. She tryna throw me that pussy, I might just beat the purr. He crying about that same bitch, I been had her. On my way straight to the top, dog, ain't never climb a ladder. I spent $5 in Mexico, I got a big ass platter. 4-5 gon' hit him in his stomach and burst his bladder. I broke that bitch heart all in Cancun, I heard it shatter. I think I'm cursed, dog, cause her love, it never mattered. I can give you all the time, girl, but that shit never mattered. I'm hitting that thing from the back, her booty get fatter. Man, I'm lying, dog, I'm so in love with her, I'm getting better. Can somebody come and save me? I ain't tryna be in love no more. Man, somebody come and save me. I ain't tryna be victim to your love no more. No more. I fell in love with that girl, can somebody save me? I don't give her so much love, I feel like that she hate me. I'm tryna give you a kid, girl, I want a baby. Can somebody help me? I think I'm hallucinating. They say I'm tripping, shit, I might be a little crazy. Gotta bring my pistol in the party, ain't finna let them play me. It's something different about that girl, cause I don't do no dating. And fuck them niggas on that sideline, they been hating.
Where the fuck we at? We ain't got down Almond Beach. Whatever Chop said. I had to put that bitch on Chop.
I hate on the bitch. Then I want to take you back and ask for money. What the fuck?
No, bro. Tell that fuck though. Her lad better going on by her life, bitch. Look at that dog. What the dog name is?
Shots on unlucky, they gonna have a new scat. Like this thing.
Damn. Oh wait, what the fuck is that? Oh, that's the. No. Look at this man, bro. So look at that over here, bro.
This one about some swim trunk like this, bitch. Everybody going to the same place. It don't matter, man. What about decent swim trunk out there? Get my swim trunk.
No, you can't draw my Hellcat, bro. Hey, cuz, that gotta be your favorite line now. And the bitch be like, they look at you like, cuz, I can. No, you can't drop my Hellcat, bro. You gotta cut their ass off with that motherfucker. No, nigga. I said that shit first. Yes, I did. You got that from me. On your big cousin. On your big, I'm gonna be on your big cousin. Excuse me, baby girl. Over here, Mr. Oh shit, about the camera. I'm telling you.
You hear me?
Huh?
I can't see shit out this goddamn ass.
That bitch said, criticize, criticize, criticize. I'm out here for one thing only. But yeah, fuck. Friend, damn, hold on, we don't good. Excuse me, baby girl, over here, you ain't gotta. They got like some stallions, ain't they?
Yeah, they tall as hell.
Yeah, now I'll try these little potato chips and shit. That shit crazy.
Damn, bitch should have had the yappies.
Yeah. Girl, I got these bitches on.
Don't block that. That's our pocket.
These are trap type of shit.
Shit no. Shit bar.
Fuck it, where them stallions go? Gotta send sad face with what's that? They trying to get up. But that bitch said, dude, let me out. Let me out. He didn't know how to say it in the right tone. He looked at King and he said, let me out. But they ain't them shits. Stupid. Hey, no. What, the stallions? What they at? Friend. Wait, what's going on? Hey.
From the crash, that's it. All the pieces gonna fall out. You know how much that is? That's a level 4.
That's the mic, oh, the mic over there.
Yeah, what the other mic?
It's in there. I forgot that.
Fucking man, I don't know where we in it, big post, man. God. Chandler. The beat better have them babies out that bitch.
What? What about me?
He didn't say nothing about you, Gay. Bro, get your ass out here. We got a whole crowd behind us, ain't there? Them boy famous down there, ain't there? He's trying to watch. Why you still out your ugly ass? You gotta put that
Let me hold this shit right there, man. Oh shit, you moved too fast, man.
Who's off of this bitch? We get on that kid out here.
Man,
Look at him, he's stressing that. He finna kill
I forgot T got the damn bite, man.
Look.
Hey, how you zoom out of that bitch?
You gotta push the in-law stick up and down.
Oh, the zoom out? Who got it so close? Oh, nah, that bit all the way out. It's all the way out. Yeah.
Okay, I bet I'm stressing. You see that? Nigga, she already received it. He just like, these niggas gotta go. I'm gonna get fired today.
man.
I can look at it. Zoom in.
Hold up.
Zoom it in.
Yeah.
That thing like, what the fuck I got myself? I need to get the fuck out of here. He's like, hey, vlog.
Hey, vlog. I got you on vlog. I gotta stay back a little bit.
We need some now. I'm gonna put my wallet on and get in the car. But that bitch know she heard of us, bro. I'm gonna squeeze her fucking head to the hospital. Hey, I said what else? He said, hey. Fuck it. I get in that motherfucker like this.
See what I'm saying? It's always the young niggas, man.
I get in that motherfucker like that.
How you getting that motherfucker? Don't leave me. Hey, Trap.
I think I just see it. Let him get off that.
Where Trap at?
Hey, LeBron came out of the car, you look like this. I look like, damn, you good, LeBron?
Titty bastard. You have a pillow fight? See that wide leg, huh?
Hey.
Bitch, I gotta stay far back to see y'all whole body. Nah.
Alright, that's why he got so close, he walking like this.
Yeah. You see how he looked at her?
Bruh. That bitch walking like this.
Nobody.
Hey, oh, damn.
See?
Oh, you gotta consider that.
Oh, yeah.
Whole lot of gang shit in this.
You.
Whole lot of buttons and shit.
I'm still gonna start. Come on. Like that.
She put the Mustang on the bed like this. Hey, put the camera on.
Hey, y'all ain't see that. I know y'all seen that, but y'all didn't. The camera looking dead at me. Y'all didn't see that. On God, y'all didn't. Hey, look, I had a whole hand for the machine. Slowly going down. I don't know where it's going.
Hey, they smiling at somebody over there, motherfucker.
Where you going?
Go, strike, nigga. Shark. I'm sharking.
I'm gonna go ahead and put it out there. Ain't no scary shit around me. Don't come to me with that mental health shit.
But it's just like,
What the fuck?
What the fuck, Jet? Jet, she wants you. She keep looking, Jet.
I'm finna choke your ass out. This nigga. Don't come to me with that mental health shit, boy. I'm like, oh god damn, this stuff. Damn, be having on soul, bro. Nah, bro.
that shit not what I want.
That shit ain't right.
I don't just get right with it.
Oh god, yeah, that's the bit that I want. Oh god, yeah, diamonds all in my friend. Like, put together, like, that's it, eh? I'm on the wrong down side, chat. Hey, since this is vlogs, I still call y'all that chat. I gotta say YouTube. Man, fuck that. Y'all know what's going on.
Already know we never let.
Jen, that little ass car, you can squeeze through the fucking golf down.
Telling us to fucking go, fam. That last 2 to be can go.
You know what I'm saying? I go straight to be like,
Fuck wrong with buddy?
right. You
Don't worry about it. All they hoes getting fucked. Yo, bitch, she getting fucked. Yeah, tonight, nigga. Bitch getting fucked. Come on. I gotta put my shit in, leaving in the lock. I got them bitches going crazy when I give a call. All these hoes inside that party, I hope they don't leave the drop. If somebody try to play crazy, I let that Glock rock. I gave too many hoes my heart. I had to pay for it. You ain't finna catch me paying for your shit. I'm not a paylord. My fault. If the hoe belong to me, then I'ma pay for it. I can lock you in.
It's not even just like the cuss. I step up in these drinks. I get her be talking to her. They sticking their car like a trunk. Put you in the air like a party. I heard that you told them cart. Since your favorite sport. They asked if you wanted to tell. And you said come for water. Now that I'm sold too much lean, I'm taking the OD nigga. I don't need no 530 hills. You must not know me, nigga. We live it down. You with your feet. Make sure you take this. Of course I label from now on. It's gonna be from a distance. A lot of shit I been wanting to say, but I might say I'm tripping. I wanted to rap this out with y'all, but they ain't want to listen. Made me feel like less of a man. Made me feel like I can't when I know that I can. Stay focused to get that bag, that's all that you listen. Keeping my eyes on the road, don't cry, ain't got life insurance. How the fuck you beat me mad by whole shit you be doing? Used to run away from my problems, I don't feel me right no more. Used to run away from my problems, I don't feel me right no more. If you do better, you do better. What's your feel? I got
Freeze up, my diamonds froze. He on IG tryna fly for hoes. He a pump faking all out. They took his blit, he got exposed. She go get the pack from door, hit the board, he adios. Bitch, I said 2 love breaking bone. I'm a fashion killer, I'm murky and chrome. Don't think about spinning through this block. This 40 cal gon' hit your dome. And he think he a demi guy. We finna send his dumb ass home. You know my brother's rolling now, but you know me, I'm rolling stone. I kicked the hole up out the beat. I told that bitch to leave me alone. Drop my mask and catch a kill. These bullies gon' shock him like a hill. I don't got no love inside the street, cause you know Jack had killed Jill. I tried to get a bit of my heart, but I don't really know how love feel. I threw the pack for 10 on Sunday, bitch, I'm something like Tyreek Hill. I pull a scooter, bark like OKC, I bring that thunder. Call her off inside the hood, beat his ass, Royal Rumble. I'm with some bad hoes in the spot, they say they craving cookie crumble. I meant to say crumble cookie, but fuck that shit, I'm being humble. Snatch off in a super cool, can't wild body, this bitch gon' bumble. Bitch, I got to protect the pack, me and my dogs ain't fun to fumble. They better slow that bitch down, I think the odds up in that Honda. I just playing both sides, I think she sound like Travis Hunter. Bro, done say he bout to move, he hit the Parvis and got his shifting. Me and the kid folks playing dice, we rollin' CeeLo to get that chicken. Got a fully on that back of that bitch and went to glitching. Had to go and cut that grass cause niggas snaking, they be hissing.
I think I record some more. I said I can record some more. Hey, fuck it. If I fuck up, you just keep punching me in. You know what I'm saying?
I gotta remove myself from the hoes, they so aggravated. Okay, I know it's my fault with no hoes, I be fornicated. This thought bitch talking crazy right now, talking about she wanna have my baby. I heard that pussy got a lot of mileage, that bitch so outdated.
Fucking good. I had to took that bit off real quick. I see why that bitch say soft sand. This bitch. Yeah, look at Durango. That bitch look stuck his damn self. He know that put that van out there. He know he said no sir. Oh, he good. He good too. That's it. Oh shit! Hey, I think that's what that little bit in there. Oh, you finna pull his ass out? Oh, I ain't even peep that. The little sense. He ain't got no forward drive. And he finna pay, ain't that shit finna cost. They finna tax his ass. Damn, I should've took my socks off.
Oh, that's the who watching up. Oh, I know she's still there. Ooh.
You said what happened? Oh yeah, hell yeah. Hey, get it with a charger, baby. Yeah, he trimmed. They finna tax his ass too. I ain't got the mic on you. Yeah, we some black folks like this.
You got to run a surfboard.
I'm gonna make sure I run my ass down that way. Why that bitch look so thick down there though? Look, we down the road.
Nah, we need to be down here.
Damn, he all the way out there. What the fuck? I can ride that run thing. Hey.
Go dog.
What's up?
Go
How
dogs.
fast it go?
Go dogs. I'm carrying the camera. What you talking about? Got a vlog. Yeah, we setting the tent up now. They setting the tent up. I'm just the cameraman. Grown ass man. Yeah, that be wild, huh?
That be wild, man. That be gonna stay running.
You see everything now.
Nigga say he fuck with us. Boy, that boy fucking done.
Hey, I got a volleyball tent. A volleyball net.
That be looking thick down there, ain't it? That be old down there.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna put my microphone on. I'll be down that bitch dropping now. But them bitch like $6 for one microphone. What we doing? 3 on 3?
Niggas ready to do something. Team, they be finna die.
For real?
Yeah. We got one ball.
I got B with me. I told B get B-roll. Man, it be a good than hot Cheetos. Damn. The water's so fucking cold.
I know, right? Freezing cold.
That be ain't no joke. Oh shit! You ain't gonna be out the game. You ain't gonna be able to drop 83.
Look, sun gone again. I ain't getting that bitch.
There was a time when the world
Way of blowing water.
just a little slow.
It's just water.
I should have grabbed me one too. We needed that one when we be having them shows though. Coffee, man. I gotta wake up.
You probably got clothes and shit.
Let me make that bitch.
You just woke me up.
There you go. Now we good. Yeah. Rush ahead a bit. Motherfucking general, nigga.
Fucking rusty shit, nigga.
When I talk to nigga, I be shitting on these niggas. I think I'm way worse than R. Kelly, nigga.
But why ain't do that be in the water? Yes, you can, bro. Do that be in the water. Go, DeMar. Hey, this shit look crazy though. That big cat, that shit I was looking at in the store, I was finna grab them bitches. Right now, Osmo Pocket 3.
Oh shit, man. Shot playing, huh?
You do it. Animal Free King. King free. Hell, he tossed that motherfucker. Oh shit! Oh yo, we on camera that bit, boy. Ah! Caught that bit on camera, boy. Kayla, I can save a little bit.
Commercial break.
Commercial break. Nah, fuck that. Camera stay rolling, nigga. Uncut.
Oh, white lady, watch out. Oh!
Oh shit. Oh look, you got King in trouble. Oh shit.
Get the motherfucking road.
Get that out that street. Alright, up. Oh. Oh, wait, oh.
Tell them niggas don't throw that 4 up, nigga. You don't pop out, nigga. Real, man. Real members out here, man.
That been turning about some people that be back from the guy instantly. If a nigga talking right, when they tell their sentence right, and then the fucking camera get on your ass, keep talking right, get on your ass. and put that bitch back to you and he's still talking. That shouldn't be disrespectful.
Will that be like there?
Yeah. Orange back.
I'm about to put my shit on charger. You know what this bitch take?
You got my phone?
Yeah.
Cherry bud bad nigga. Go get some money, broke ass nigga.
He said go get y'all money up, broke ass nigga. Man, like, comment, and subscribe, bitch ass nigga.